I found this YouTube channel that I instantly fell in love with. His name's David, or Weedy, as everyone calls him on the internet. And you know when you find something and it just reignites the spark? That's what it did for me. I love the way that he tells a story, and so I've been watching ever since.
G'day everybody, it's Weedy here up on the hill, up on the Weedy Garden Hill, and you know what? I've got a special episode for you today. I'm giving away a whole complete food forest garden makeover to some lucky Australian. And I say some lucky Australian because it's only for Australians. Because the Weedy Garden community, including myself and the lovely, adorable Mr. Costa, he's going to come out and we'll be calling on some volunteers in the Weedy Garden community to come out and do it all for you and make over your whole garden. And I'm offering pretty much a whole Weedy garden. It's like everything I've got in the Weedy garden, whoo, over to your place.
He was running a giveaway. He announced it, I think, back in June. And it was for a hefty list of prizes. So the whole summer goes by and I'm drinking my Saturday morning coffee and I see 2 different emails and I watch the video and I won.
I've got one. Oh, this is exciting because this is the one we're doing and it's order number 937. 937. Haha, Kim. Kim is from the United States. Oh, Kim, congratulations.
That's me. I'm Kim Johnson. But this is happy. I'm going to make the best use of it possible. And I can't wait to show you.
So I bumped into Costa down in Coffs Harbour the other day and I was telling him about the competition that I was doing. Yeah, it's going to be great, mate. I'm going to do a road trip somewhere in Australia and transform someone's garden. I'm looking so much forward to it.
Did you say road trip? I'm in. Can I come?
Oh, mate, I'd love you to. Oh, mate, high five, mate. Oh.